Okay, today we're going to replace the glass struts on the rear glass on the '01 Jeep Grand Cherokee. As you can see, the old struts just aren't holding it up anymore. So, that's what we're going to do. Okay, these are the originals still, and what you're going to need to do is this little plastic cap right here has to come off because it's a retaining clip. Just a screwdriver. And there it is. So just pop that right off. And for the bottom, you need one of these Torx. It's a number 30. And we got to undo that bolt right there. There we go. Now, I could have did this before, but back at the top here, you can just pry this off now, and it snaps right off the bolt there. Okay, there's where it fits here. There's where it fits on the ball, and this little cap goes on that backside and compresses these around the ball. So that's how the original ones fit on. The new ones I got are a little bit different. Okay, the new one I have is FSC brand. Now this end here, that's where it clips on the ball, and that little metal band you have to pull away a little bit to expand this side, and then push it on to the ball, and then you can push the clip back on tight, and then it's done. So I'm going to expand this a bit here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's push that. There, now the little clip in there is expanded, and you can see it's away. So we'll push that on. Okay, so we'll put this on there. And push this metal tab back. So it locks on. And then down here at the bottom, we'll put this bolt back in. start it with my fingers a bit before we get the wrench on it. Make sure it threads straight. There we go. And there. Now the glass stays up with the one rod on. And there you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one now, and it works the exact same way. So just a quick, easy fix on a Jeep today. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.